Hi, I'm Dan G.
And I'm Dan W. And together we are Dan and Dan
MTV.
Yes, and today we'll be doing a bike check on both of our bikes. Let's start off on mine.
We about to turn it on.
Hey, this is my Cube Aim SL 2018. Schwalbe Smart Sam tyres with Cube rims, a Shimano hub, 160 by 160 rim, rotor that is, a Shimano brake caliper, Suntour forks with remote lockout, Shimano brakes, Shimano ultra light gear shifters, aluminium frame, Cube saddle, Shimano Mega Light crankset, Shimano 9 gear rear cassette with a 3x at the front, total of 27 gears, and another 160mm disc rotor.
Alright.
Now on to Dan G's bike.
Right, hey guys, this is my 2019 Trek Roscoe 7, so let's go for a little tour. Right, so these are RockShox Judy Silver TK. These are my, I believe they are Bontrager grips. I got some Tektro hydraulic brakes. I got Bontrager grips here. I got Rocket Ron mid-fat tyres. And I got Bontrager Line 40 rims. Right. Here I've got the aluminium gold Trek. Here I've got a Gamma Pro crankset. Again, I've got the tyres, and I've got a Bontrager saddle with a dropper post. And I have a Shimano Dior derailleur system. And yeah, that's my bike. Alright, thanks for watching guys, and we'll see you in another episode.
See ya.
Bye.